performing the snowstorm in China for years and years, and I've played around with every different method I could possibly find. Hollow eggs filled with confetti, having the load of confetti hanging off the back of a fan, using chopsticks to pick it up, doing switches. And I'm going to teach you what I feel is really the cleanest way to do it. 2 pieces of paper. Your assistant is holding the fan in her hand, or his hand, with the handle facing you. There's 2 glasses held just like this instead of fish bowls and pouring water. I just wanted to make this as clean and streamlined, and we can walk on and do it just about anywhere. The top glass has some water. The bottom glass does not have water. The paper is torn. And placed in the glass. We got this glass. Now I come down. The misdirection here is that Abby is going to pour the water from this glass into this glass with the paper, and I'm going to put my hand right on her hand as she opens up. I'm stealing the snowstorm and the fan all in one move. But no one's going to see that because I step right in. Everybody's watching here. Look at the misdirection. Everybody's watching to see what's going to happen with that water. Bang, it goes in. As it's pouring in, I'm grabbing my load, and I continue the motion this way. Continuing the motion. I haven't done anything. Abby's done most of the work at this point, coming on with the setup and just handing me that load in that perfect kind of grip. Now, no chopsticks or scooping out or swirling around. My hand comes down and picks up the paper, making a packet about the size of the snowstorm load over here in this hand. Now, this is a Japanese snowstorm load, but there are others available on the market here in America. I squeeze the packet. I walk forward, showing it to the audience. Now I come and I take the fan between my middle finger, ring finger, and pinky as I switch the load to this hand and show it. This is our situation. I have 2 packets about the right size, just about the same size. Shake, shake, shake. Maybe I squeeze a little bit more. The fan opens. As I turn, my fingers are going to grip the packet that's exposed and move the snowstorm packet into position as I move around. So it looks like it's the same piece of paper. Now I close my hand around it, and this is the way that I do the snowstorm, with the snow coming down out of my hand, and start fanning the snow upward. And then I turn my hand face up as we get the last little bits of confetti for the snowstorm in China. I take my glass from my wonderful confetti partner. We toast each other. We toast you. And we hope that you've enjoyed this segment of My Magic.